All right, let me get this to you before my son busts the door open. He's about to come in a little bit. So they say which of the following expressions is equivalent to 49x squared plus 81, and they give us 5 answer choices here. Though the first time I looked at this, it seems like it was missing the what we want here. Usually, the formula that we're gonna need is a squared minus b squared, which is equal to a plus b times a minus b. And every time we have an expression like this, we know that it's a squared plus b squared. But notice, step back. Notice that here we don't have a negative number. And then, so the best way to think about this is
What are you doing, Papa?
I'm recording a video. Come on, go eat. Shh. The best way to think about this is a squared plus b squared. Now, there's another thing that we're gonna take into account is we can make this positive one. We can make this positive one. We can write it as a conjugate pair of a complex number. And then when you multiply both sides, when you multiply by the i's together, instead of having a negative number, you're gonna have a positive number. So think about here. We wanna make this part 49x squared. It's like we're taking the square root of the first part. So we want the a here, which is 7. So 49x squared. So we want the square root of the a, which is going to be 7x, plus b, 81. Now, we could take the square root, which is 9, but notice that we don't have the sign here in the middle. To transform the sign here to make it this sign, we want an I here. And when you multiply both i's, you're going to have a negative sign. I'll show you what I mean in a little bit. So it's 7 plus I, 7x plus 9i, and 7x minus 9i. Okay. Now, here's what I was saying. If you develop this, you're going to have 7x times 7x, which is 49x squared, 9i times 7x plus 9i. This is going to cancel out times 7x minus 9i times 7x. And then you have 9, step back. 9i, you're going to have minus 9 times 9, 81, I squared. I squared, so this one cancels out, so you're going to have 49x squared minus 81 times I squared, which is negative 1. And then the 81 here, 49x squared minus 81, so you have plus 81, which is what we have here. And the answer choice is this one right here. So this is like conjugate pair of complex numbers. And if you enjoyed this video, please share it on your page. Sorry about my son, he's loud. Hey, stop. He's eating and loud. So about him, I usually don't record his videos twice. And what you need to get here is this one. Share it on your page. This is the guy right here. Hey, you wanna say hi? Say what's up?
What's up?
All right, thank you. All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.